Have you ever felt that nobody sees your post even though how good your content is? Let's change that. This is Sociogenics, where all the social media growth actually start to make sense. So why aren't people seeing your content or post? Simple answer is algorithms. So basically, platforms like Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, it is built to prioritize content and to keep people onto the app. And if your content or post doesn't get enough clicks or enough view time, then the platform would reject to recommend your content to the other users. So the visibility is not just about the luck, but it is about few tactics here and there you do, and that actually works and makes your content grow. So to grow your visibility, here are the few tactics. First one is always know the time when your audience is online and post on the time. Don't randomly post when you are free. Always try to use the time, like see your analytics. What is the good time to post when your audience could actually see your content and improve your click rates? Use that analytics and use it wisely. And the second one is the collaboration. Always collaborate with other creators or other small businesses. Collaboration brings new audiences and it makes your brand more broader for the visibility. So try to collaborate with whoever is relevant to your brand, and that is the key to bring more visibility. So the third one is using the hashtags really smart. You have to use either 3 to 5 hashtags that's very unique to your own brand that people will recognize that's you. And use this hashtag to actually grow your visibility. And on top of that, use the trending audios, like whatever that is trending right now. Use those songs for your post, and any challenges that's trending, try to twerk it here and there for your own brand and use those challenges, and these things will definitely give you more visibility. So the fourth one is the watch time. That means the longer people stay in your content, the longer that your visibility is going to reach and it's going to recommend to new users. But that doesn't mean you have to keep your video too long. No, keep your video short, use some graphics, use some music, use some fonts, edits, animations, and try to keep your audience engaged for at least 5 seconds in that video, and that is going to give you the more visibility. In the next video, we'll be uploading about the best social media platforms to grow your businesses. So stay tuned and hit the subscribe button right now so that you can grow smarter and not harder. Thank you. Bye-bye.